So how are we feeling on the
It
preparation?
looks like a
day?
big enough Walmart.
Yeah.
Easy peasy. Let's go buy some TVs. Let's go get some furniture. Let's go get our badges and let's get set up. Let's go feed the union guys.
Feed the union guys.
Feed the union guys.
Stimulate the economy.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm getting much faster at setting these things up. We have one more to do, and Nenki's going to do that one.
I'm adjusting the elbow rests. So when you're in them, you're at the right distance for your arm to feel comfortable. So all the index marks help a lot with that adjustment. This is the third cardio speeder we've put together for the show. And this is going to go in the demo area when I'm done with it, and then on to the last two.
So here's a plan with the layout. So we'll have the double 32-inch TV in the middle playing the same video looping again, just to kind of make the TV seem bigger than it actually is. So I like put it like
loving it, and yeah, I think it's going really well so far. Everyone has their own designated roles. Kai and Athena, they're the camera crew. Vicky and I are BD. Michael is the boss, along with Marty. So yeah, it's been really good. Had a lot of fun today, but I think slowly probably going to be burned out by the end of it because we've been really busy. I'm going to do it all again tomorrow.
First day recap, everything we hoped for and possibly a little bit better. So definitely got the respect we're looking for. We got the buy-in hit, we got the understanding. Also got to look at doing the Italian show. That is well timed for us and we can do it. So just got to figure out the details on it. Yeah, really good first day. Super good first day. It's a good show.
First day's a wrap.